welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review on Carefor teeth whitening kit. People always ask me how I get my teeth so white, but I've been using Carefor for a while. And this is how the packaging looks. With the teeth whitening kit, you get 28 strips, which is 14-day treatment, and you get 1 teeth whitening pen. And the teeth whitening kit is alcohol free. The kit comes with a booklet. It also comes with a card to show you how to use the teeth whitening strips. It comes with a teeth shade card that shows you your shade of your teeth. It also comes with a whitening pen. And last, these are the strips. And these are the strips. It comes with an upper and bottom strip. And this is how it looks up close and personal on your teeth. You have to let the strips sit on your teeth for 30 minutes to an hour. The strips have a minty taste so you can have fresh, clean breath. In 2 weeks, you should get 8 shades whiter on your teeth. For $16.99, this is an awesome kit that works. The first 10 people to purchase, send me an email and I will give you a code where you can get your money back. And I will leave the link down below in the description box. And thanks for watching.